I want us to support sporting activities in whatever we do. And now is the right time in the country to reserve facilities where the sporting activity can be built. Later on, it will be very late to acquire golf courses, to acquire clubs, to acquire places for these kind of things. So now is the time we want to do that. And please let us do it. Do not leave it to other people. Do not just say it will happen. It will happen if you are actively involved. Every one of us is called upon to make a contribution. And I want to thank all those who have helped us in making this event a big event here in Nyeri and in other parts of Kenya, because we want it everywhere in Kenya. We want this kind of activity. And we want, I'm not only talking about golf, I'm talking about all sporting activities, all of them. And that is the best thing we can do for this nation. Thank you very much. And I'm pleased to be here, back here in Nyeri. Well, we thank you very much. Thank you, Sana. And it's a great pity you can't see as much as I used to be available around here. But there will be a time very soon. It is, well, it is that kind of absence is only a few years, very few. And then we are back to sporting and other things. Thank you very much indeed. Asanteni sana.